Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Rabbi zidni ilma. Students, we are starting with another sum of bills of exchange, and it is the last sum, page number 307 from the practical problem. Question number 13. Journalize the following transaction in the books of Bharati. So this is one of the type of single drawer and different drawing. Number A, bank informed that Amit's acceptance for rupees 15,750 sent to bank for collection was honored and bank charges debited were rupees 150. Here Bharti is drawer and bank informed that Amit's acceptance of rupees 15,750 sent to bank for collection was honored. Means bank has been collected the amount from Amit. Okay, and for the service they have charged bank charges rupees 150 from Bharti's account. So here is the entry for the same. I have already prepared the journal in the books of Bharti. So entry will be bank account debit what comes in rupees is 15,750. Okay, and bank charges account debit, it is a nominal account, it is an expense for Bharti which has been deducted from her account. So rupees 150 will be entered in a debit side. The first bank account debit rupees 15,750 is an asset for Bharti. So bank account debit what comes in, the rule applied, and bank charges account debit, nominal account rule applied, debit all expenses and losses, and the credit entry will be to bill sent for collection as the bill was with bank department in the collection department. Okay, so total value will be 15,900. Narration, as it is mandatory compulsory, being honored, being Amit's acceptance honored and bank charges paid. Okay, now come to the next question number B. Nitin renewed his acceptance for 22,000. Here Nitin is a drawee who has a request or approached for renew of the bill to Bharati. So his acceptance for 22,000, the old bill was of 22,000, by paying 2,200 in cash and along with interest on balance amount at 10% and accept a fresh bill for the balance for 3 months. So here Nitin is ready to pay 2,200 cash along with interest, the balance value of the bill. So 2,200 cash and balance 10% we have to calculate, and that here is the minor change that the with cash interest is also added. Okay, so we have to calculate the interest and add to the particular cash. We will do the same. For the same we have to calculate interest. So 22,000 was the bill, 2,200 cash will be paid by Nitin, so balance will be 19,800. So 19,800 into 10 upon 100 into 3 months, as the bill was for 3 months, so 3 upon 12. So we will calculate the same. 20 and 20 we will deduct. 3 ones are 3, 3 fours are 12, 2 twos are 4, 2 fives are 10. Okay, so 2 ones are 2, 2 nines are 18, 1 carry, 2 nines are 18. So 99 multiply by 5 multiply by 1. 99 into 5 into 1. 99 5s are, we have to calculate 5 9s are 45, 4 carry, 5 9s are 45 plus 4 49. Here is the value of interest 495. So when we will enter about the cash, we will add this particular amount in a cash also with 2200. Okay, so B first entry will be of cancelled of old bill. So Nitin acceptance was cancelled. So Nitin is a drawee who cancelled, asked for cancel of old bill. So we will enter the drawee name as Nitin account debit. Nitin account debit. Drawee name comes here. Bill value was 22,000 and bill was with Bharti. So we will note to bill receivable account 22,000. When the bill is written with the drawer, here the bill receivable account entry will be there, not the drawer name. Okay. Narration: being bill cancelled due to renewal. Okay. Number 2, interest entry will be there. As the interest we have calculated 495 and interest is benefit for Bharti, so we can note the particular entry: Nitin account debit to interest account, value 495. Okay, Nitin account debit to interest account. Interest is income for Bharti, so we have mentioned in a credit side. Being narration: being interest 10% receivable for 3 months. Now we will the third entry will start as the renewal of bill, and according to the condition cash will be received to Bharti. So cash account debit. So 22,000, sorry, from 22,000, 2,200 is the cash, and as I have said, we have to add 2,200 plus interest 495. So total will be 2,695. Okay, so we will mention the value 2,695. Now I am merging the particular entry. Cash account debit, what comes in 2,695. The balance was new bill, so Bharti will receive the bill. She will mention bill receivable account debit. The balance value was 19,800 as we have calculated. 19,800 is the value. New bill receivable account debit what comes in. So from whom she received the cash? Nitin. The bill accepted by whom? New bill? Nitin. To Nitin account we will mention. Credit the giver to Nitin account, and we have to calculate 19,800 with 2,695. Okay. So total will be 22,495. Narration: being cash received with interest and balance new bill acceptance. Now question number C. Dhanrashi, who had accepted Bharti bill for 17,500, was declared insolvent, and only 40% of the amount due could be recovered from his state. So here Dhanrashi, who has accepted the Bharti bill of rupees 17,500, declared insolvent. Now he is not in a position to pay the bill, total 17,500, but only the value 40% could be recovered. Okay, so here, as the bill has been dishonored, and then the entry of the insolvency will be there. So we are starting the same. Before that, we will calculate the particular amount which will be received. So 20 cancel, 20 we will mention here. Now 4 5s are 20, 2 carry, 4 7s are 20, 28 plus 2 equals to 30, 3 carry, 4 1s are 4 plus 3 7. 7,000 is the value which will be recovered. Okay, now here I have entered the particular entry of dishonor. Dhanrashi account debit 70,500 to bill receivable account 17,500, being bill dishonor. So Dhanrashi is the drawee who has dishonor the particular bill due to insolvency. The first dishonor entry will be there. Now question number C2, we have to mention about insolvency. So some cash Bharti has been received. So cash and bank account, as it is not mentioned the cash is there or with the check she has paid, she has been received the amount. So we will mention cash and bank account. Debit, the value we have already calculated 7,000. 40% recovered is 7,000 is the value, and the balance has been bad debt, is not received. It is known as a bad debt. Bad debt is a nominal account, debit all expenses and loss. It is a loss for Bharti. So bad debt account debit value will be 10,500. From 17,500, 7,000 cash, the balance is 10,500. 2. Cash has been received from a particular drawee, Dhanrashi, and bad debt has been done from Dhanrashi. In credit side we will mention Dhanrashi account. Total 17,500. Narration will be there, being bill dishonor due to insolvency, and only 40% recovered from Dhanrashi state. Okay. Another question number D. Discharge our acceptance to Swati for 9,450 by endorsing Praveen acceptance to us rupees 9,000. So basically the particular acceptance has been honored by endorsing Praveen's acceptance. So the entry will be, as the page has been completed, I will start with the next page. So here the entry will be bill payable account debit. As here Bharti is a drawee, so we will mention bill payable account debit, and endorsing the Praveen bill we will mention to bill receivable account. The value was 9,000, and discount received to Bharti. So to discount account, Swati we have to pay 9,000 for 9,000, just a minute, 9,450. Okay, so from that 9,000 is the bill, Praveen bill has been given to Swati and the discount was for 450. Payable value was 9,450. Being bill honored by endorsing Praveen acceptance. Being bill honored by endorsing Praveen acceptance. Okay. Hope so you all have understood the particular entry, and as I have already said, you should practice the particular some numbers of times. The how many times you will practice, it will be better for you to memorize the entry and to understand the particular entry also. Okay. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Have a nice day.